So far, we've been doing all the work on master. Now let's talk about working with branches. So similar to tags, our branches are private or local by default. So if you want to collaborate with other team members using a branch, we have to explicitly push that branch, the same way we push tags. So I'm going to create a new branch called feature/change password. Now this is a private branch in my local repository. It doesn't exist on GitHub. So if we run git push, we get this error saying the current branch has no upstream branch. This basically means that this branch is not linked to a branch in origin. So Git is suggesting to run this command to solve the problem. But before doing so, let's run git branch -vv. So look, here we can see our local and remote tracking branches. So master, which is a local branch, is linked to origin/master, but feature/change password is not linked to a remote tracking branch. Now to see all the remote tracking branches, we can type git branch -r. So currently we have only these two pointers, origin/head and origin/master. So to link this private branch to a branch in origin, the first time we want to push it, we have to type git push -u. That is the short form of set upstream. Then we type the remote, in this case origin, followed by the name of the branch. So feature/change password. All right, beautiful. Our branch is pushed. We can verify it on GitHub. So let's refresh this page. Now we have two branches, and here's our new branch. Then back to the terminal, if we type git branch -vv, you can see that this local branch is now linked with this remote tracking branch, origin/feature/change password. Also, we can look at all the remote tracking branches. So now we have a new remote tracking branch. Perfect. Now we can start working with this branch the same way we worked with master. So we can make new commits here and then push them to origin. At some point when we are done, we want to remove this branch. To do that, we type git push. Then previously we used -u. Now we're going to use -d for delete. Then we type the remote, followed by the branch name, feature/change password. Now this branch is deleted from origin. We can verify it right here. So refresh. We only have a single branch. Now let's type git branch -r. Our remote tracking branch is gone. Beautiful. But what if we type git branch -vv? We still have this local branch that is linked to origin/feature/change password. But right in front of this remote tracking branch, we have gone. So even though we removed this branch from origin, our local branch is still there. So if we type git branch, we can see it's right here, and we're currently on this branch, so we cannot delete it. So we have to switch to master, and then type git branch -d feature/change password. So this is how we can create and delete branches in a remote repository. Next, I'm going to walk you through a real collaboration scenario using branches.